must be coming round the bend. Mickey and all the gang will be here any minute.
Stacy Jr. coming down the track, with a smoky stack. Hear the polka coming round the hill. Stacy's here to thrill every Jack and Jill.
Steam train's arriving. Now we can open the Magic Kingdom. Hip, hip, hooray!
Illuminated Cracker Jack. Stacy Jr.'s back. Stacy Jr.'s back again. Zippity-doo dah, zippity-yay. My oh my, what a wonderful day. Ray of sunshine comes my way. Zippity-doo dah, zippity-yay. Zippity-doo dah, zippity-yay. My oh my, what a smoky day. Ray of sunshine round the way. Zippity-doo dah, Jack and Jill.
Let's say hi to Mickey, the pirate family, and all the gang.
It's great to see you.
Gee, Mickey, we thought you'd never get here. It sure is great to see you and all your friends, isn't it, everyone?